I am cooking now. Please don't disturb me.
I am not disturbing. I am just watching.
What are you cooking? It smells so good.
Something you should not touch.
Can I taste it? Just a little bite.
No means no. It is not ready yet.
I will take one bite only.
You never stop. Go sit down. It is not ready yet. You have to be patient or you will ruin the whole dinner.
Waiting makes me more hungry.
You are not helping. You are making a mess.
I can cook too, you know.
Yes, you can burn food very well, dear, but we both know that your pancakes are usually worth the wait.
That happened only one time. Is it ready now?
No, it will not be ready if you keep asking me every single minute like that.
I am very, very hungry.
Good. Then stay quiet and don't come closer.
Did you just taste it? I saw.
No, I was only checking the smell with my mouth, but I promised that I would never dream of stealing a little bit.
Go outside right now and wait.
Fine, but I want extra serving because your cooking is just too delicious to resist today, even if I have to be patient.